Hey Jordan, have you heard about the new Google Pixel 9 series?
Yeah, I did. This year, they've released the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. Interestingly, the Pro comes in two sizes this year: 6.3 inches for the regular Pro and 6.8 inches for the Pro XL. It's quite a move.
Absolutely. They've made several improvements, especially in the camera, design, and processor. All three models run on Google's Tensor G4 processor and have a fresh new look with flatter sides. The Pro models are getting a lot of attention because of their camera upgrades.
Right. The Pro models have a 42-megapixel selfie camera, which is impressive. The regular Pixel 9, on the other hand, has a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. All models feature a 50-megapixel wide camera, and the Pro models also have a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. These enhancements should make a significant difference, particularly in low light conditions and for panoramic shots.
Not to mention, the Pro models can upscale video footage to 8K, thanks to the new Video Boost feature. But what really caught my eye were the new software features Google has integrated into the Pixel 9 series.
Oh, definitely. Google has expanded on its AI capabilities from last year's Pixel 8. For instance, there's a new screenshots app that analyzes your screenshots to answer questions quickly. That's interesting. Might seem like a lot of effort compared to just asking someone else to take the photo, but it feels more genuine than last year's Best Take feature, which combined images to make it look like everyone was smiling. Plus, AdMe isn't using generative AI to create people, it's just combining data from the photos you've taken.
That sounds incredibly useful. The Weather app also has AI-generated summaries now, and the Phone app can summarize phone conversations. But one of the most intriguing features is the AdMe feature for group photos. It uses augmented reality to merge photos so that everyone is included, even if someone steps out to take the picture.
Agreed. I'm excited to see how practical these features are in everyday use, especially compared to Samsung's Galaxy AI. We'll get a better sense once we've had more time to test that. If you want to dive deeper, CNET has a full story covering all the new aspects of these phones.
True, and speaking of generative AI, there's a new app called Pixel Studio for creating images based on prompts and Reimagine, which seems like an evolution of Magic Editor. Overall, the Pixel 9 series looks like a solid step forward for Google. Sounds good. Thanks for the chat, Jordan. Looking forward to trying out these new features.